episode where I do something really creative like this, I say that it's my favorite thing that I've ever done on Hey Y'all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say it again, that this is probably my favorite thing I've ever done on Hey Y'all. Hey y'all, I just got this really awesome above ground pool that I've been enjoying to beat the heat this season, and I'm gonna show you my favorite way I've been using it with a fun summer drink. This drink, when I say that it's so fun, it is so fun. And it's not just because of the ingredients that go into the drink. The packaging, it's one of my better ideas that I have ever had. The drink itself is called a Pineapple Coconut Fizz, and it is so stinking easy. All you do is take some fresh pineapple chunks and then you put it in a blender, puree the pineapple until it's smooth. The other ingredients are white rum, ice, and a coconut flavored seltzer water. That is it. You don't want to put your sparkling seltzer water into your blender unless you want your blender to explode. So do as I say, just puree the pineapple. I pureed my pineapple very smooth. I'm gonna mix all of these ingredients together in a separate pitcher. I need 2 cups of this coconut seltzer water. The world's your oyster. You can do whatever flavor combination that floats your boat. If you have a good idea for a flavor combination, drop it in the comments. I would love to read it, and so would everyone else, because we're all here just sharing all of our great ideas that we can take out to the pool. I'm cutting this in half. This is 4 ounces. The original recipe calls for 8 ounces. I am on the last bit of a bunch of different rums that I just had in my cabinet, so I combined some. Y'all, that is it. It is so easy. I'm gonna give it a stir. Pineapple Coconut Fizz. That's it right there. That is all she wrote, folks. But the best part about this recipe is not the drink. It is how I'm packaging this drink to take it outside to my above ground pool to enjoy. Y'all, it's so cute. These are drinks in a bag with swirly straws and a ribbon tied to them. And every episode where I do something really creative like this, I say that it's my favorite thing that I've ever done on Hey Y'all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and say it again, that this is probably my favorite thing I've ever done on Hey Y'all. Take this, you wanna double bag it. This is just in case there is a hole in your bag. Just safety precaution. It's also a little bit thicker. Then you just put your straw in, gather it, twist the bag, and then use the ties that came with your cellophane bag to tightly wrap around this so there's no spillage. It's not a ton of a drink that's in here, so you could probably go through about at least 2 of these, I would say. There's 4 ounces of alcohol total. A normal drink contains 1.5 to 2 ounces of alcohol, so I'm probably gonna get 4 to 5 drinks out of this half recipe. And I just think that it's the most brilliant and cute idea that I've ever done. So cute. I'm just gonna keep filling these up, and then I'm gonna tie a ribbon around the edge. It kind of dresses it up a little bit. It's so cute. You can pop your drinks in a little champagne bucket filled with ice to keep them cool. Real cute. You can set them on a tray. A couple of other really cute ideas that I just could not let this episode go by without letting you know about them. One of my dear friends, who also happens to be one of my bridesmaids and best assistants of all time, saw this on Pinterest, and she was like, you have to do this for the pool party episode. Look at these Teddy Grahams in inner tubes. You just pop a gummy LifeSaver around the belly of a bear-shaped cookie, and there you have it. And I could not leave you hanging without a pool party savory snack. This recipe for Smokey Snack Mix is on southernliving.com. It has a mix of all of your favorite snack mix things like pretzels, cheese crackers, rice checks, and smoked almonds. And it's covered in butter and smoky spices and garlic powder, and it is so delicious. You're not gonna be able to stop eating it, so just be warned. Great to be packaged up in individual containers for kids to grab as an after-school snack, or to put them in their lunch boxes once school rolls around. Makes a great beach snack, pool snack, with all the rest of your pool essentials like your Bluetooth speaker, your bubble machine, because why not? Sunscreen, obviously. The cutest little swimming inner tube bears I've ever seen. And your drinks that are cold on ice. So, without further ado, I'm gonna head outside with all of my pool essentials to go enjoy my pool party. Definitely one of my more favorite ideas that I've ever shared on Hey Y'all. I mean, how cute are these? What am I gonna come up with next? I have no idea. If you were inspired by this video to do something fun for your next pool party, I would love to read about it in the comments. We love when y'all recreate things and make them your own and share them with us. You can tag me on Instagram at IvyOdom and at Southern Living Mag. If you have a flavor combo for these awesome drinks, put that in the comments as well. I am going to jump in this pool and enjoy my Pineapple Coconut Fizz in a bag and my salty snacks. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. If you're watching on YouTube, click the bell. I will see y'all next week on Hey Y'all. Happy pool days. I will see y'all next week on Hey Y'all. Happy pool days. Happy pool days. Happy pool days.